This is a chat between Samuel Miranda Sushi, stored on the phone of Rhea Chakrabarti, and this is Rhea asking for details, financial details. And in this, she asks mutual funds or FDs mein kitna paisa hai. And in the reply, Samuel Miranda sends her a document which is a PDF file of how much money Sushant Singh Rajput has in his mutual funds and his FDs. And I have seen that PDF, which is not accessible because this is a printout and not an online version. But I've seen the copy of that, and there was 4.5 crore of that money. And this dates from the date of, I'm just trying to find the date of this particular chat. This is around May of 2020. So just before Rhea Chakrabarti left Sushant Singh Rajput, she was finding out how much money was in his account from Samuel Miranda. And on that note, Vikas Singh, the family lawyer, senior counsel, joining us on the News Hour tonight. Vikas Singh, money, pins of credit cards and debit cards and mutual funds and fixed deposit details, everything was being sought by Rhea. She even asks questions on whether pins can be changed through net banking, because that was being controlled by Samuel Miranda. And of course, she's talking about drugging Sushant Singh Rajput 3 times. This conversation with Jaya Saha, where he says you can give him this concoction 3 times, and then she tells him, tells her that the 3 sisters are arriving, and I hope they don't, uses a 4-letter word, they don't dash him up, clearly disabling Sushant Singh Rajput before she vamooses from the house. Does this now completely look like a conspiracy that was on Mr. Vikas Singh?
Navika, the narrative appears to be very, very clear now. In fact, that is what has been said in the FIR, and with all these exposes, you are only proving whatever has been, alleged by the family. The narrative is very clear that she wanted to enter his life. She wanted to disable everybody else. So whoever was close to him, whoever was managing his business, whoever was, helping him in his accounts, that was the first person to be attacked, which is Priyanka. Then she actually knew that Sushant is a little gullible, so she took full advantage of that and slowly got into his life, took over all his finances, took over his household, took over all his servants, changed all the servants, the bodyguard, everybody. And then to control him, started, giving him drugs, which he was not used to, and obviously he had no idea about it, because it was being given to him clandestinely, surreptitiously, without his knowledge and without his consent. And that way she could, control his mind. And when all this was at its peak, the sisters were coming. So she wanted to, that's why the 4-letter word, she wanted that the sisters should not be able to convince him to get back to normalcy. Now that's very, very important, Navika. The moment he used to be with his sisters, he used to slowly start turning normal. And that is why when Sushant came to Rani in Panchkula in 48 hours, and mind you, he drove all the way from Mumbai. He was so desperate. He drove all the way from Mumbai and he came to Rani, and within 48 hours, she made 25 calls to him and ensured that he left as soon as possible, because she didn't want that 4-letter word to happen to him. That means that he shouldn't get back to normalcy. She wanted to get him back as soon as possible.
Otherwise, so the drugs would have worn off.
His mind continues the way it has been doing. Absolutely, you're absolutely right. And the family was not aware, Navika, because the family is not, used to dealing with drug addicts and knowing what are the symptoms of drug. Because these are only things where if you have an experience too, that you'll know that this is a drug effect. So the family thought that this is some kind of a anxiety problem which Sushant is having. And mind you, he never had this problem prior to 2019. He never had any problem prior to Rhea coming into his life. His problems started only and only after April of 19 when Riya came in his life, and he for the first time complained about this to his sister in September, and of course later in November and January. So, and that is why the complaint in February. So the Mumbai police, which was waiting for a written complaint, probably was in league with this cartel, and they were wanting to support, because Navika, under the CRPC, there is no requirement of a written complaint. And when you
big disclosure coming in from Mr. Vikas Singh. Mr. Vikas Singh raising the biggest question. Was the Mumbai police, in fact, he's not even saying was, the Mumbai police was in league with the drug cartel. They were protecting the drug cartel. Big disclosure coming in from Mr. Vikas Singh on this show tonight. And this comes on the back of Times Now's relentless investigation. The entire plot becoming completely clear from these deleted chats that Riya Chakrabarti wanted no one to see. She deleted them. She destroyed 8 hard disks before she left Sushant Singh Rajput on the 8th of June.